You are making your cat miserable, and you have absolutely no idea. Every single day, millions of well-meaning cat owners do things that cause real psychological damage, not out of cruelty, but out of pure ignorance. Your cat cannot tell you what is wrong, but their body always tells the truth. And once you truly learn to see these signs, you will never unsee them again.
Number 1. Direct eye contact. To a cat, a hard, unblinking stare is not affection. It's a direct threat signal, a dominance display. Exactly the kind predators use before they strike. When you stare intently at your cat, they feel genuinely trapped, cornered, constantly watched, and their internal stress levels rise quietly and steadily every single time this happens to them.
You can fix this immediately. Look softly at your cat, then slowly, very deliberately, blink your eyes long and gentle, then calmly look away. This is the cat world equivalent of saying, "I mean you absolutely no harm. I trust you completely." Try this just once today and carefully watch what happens. Their whole body posture visibly and beautifully relaxes before your eyes.
Number 2. Picking them up without any warning. Cats are prey animals at their deepest core. Being grabbed suddenly from above triggers ancient hardwired survival fear. Even if you are their absolute favorite person, a sudden, unexpected lift feels exactly like a predator attack. Always let them clearly see your hands first. Let them sniff your hand carefully, then lift very slowly and gently.
Number 3. Food and water bowls placed side by side. This seems so perfectly convenient for us, but in the wild, cats never eat directly beside any water source. Dead prey contaminates nearby water quickly. Their ancient instinct clearly says this water is simply not safe. Move the water bowl to a completely different room. Watch them drink significantly more every single day after that.
Number 4. A dirty litter box. Cats are obsessively clean animals by their very nature. A soiled litter box is not merely unpleasant, it is genuinely psychologically distressing on a deep level. Some cats will painfully hold it for many hours rather than use a dirty box. This causes serious urinary infections, blockages, real lasting physical pain. Scoop thoroughly every single day. Absolutely no exceptions. Number 5. Forced affection. When your cat walks away, they are not being rude at all. They are clearly communicating their needs. And when you follow them, pick them up anyway, hold them against their will, you teach them one devastating thing: that their signals mean absolutely nothing, that they have zero real control. That single lesson destroys trust, completely and permanently, beyond any easy repair. Number 6. Strong scents inside the home. A cat's nose is 14 times more powerful than yours. The air freshener you love, the perfume you spray casually, the cleaning product you use daily, smells like an overwhelming chemical weapon directly to them. Cats living in heavily scented homes consistently show chronic stress signals that most caring owners never connect back to the obvious real cause. Number 7. Zero enrichment. Your cat sleeps around 20 hours every day, but those 4 waking hours are absolutely critical for their mental health. A cat with nothing to climb, nothing to hunt, nothing to explore, goes slowly and quietly mad over time. They stop playing, stop engaging with life around them. Their eyes go completely flat and empty. That is not laziness at all. That is depression. Number 8. Punishment of any kind. Spraying water, shouting loudly, pushing them away harshly. Cats do not connect punishment to specific behavior at all. They connect it directly to you as a person. Every single time you punish your cat, you become an unpredictable source of fear in their world. They do not learn the intended lesson. They simply learn to fear you, and that fear never fully disappears. Number 9. No vertical space anywhere in the home. Cats desperately need height.
not as a luxury, as a genuine hardwired survival necessity. High elevated spaces mean safety, personal territory, complete control over their surroundings. A cat with nowhere to climb lives in constant low-level anxiety every day. One single cat shelf changes their entire world completely. They claim that space within hours of it appearing. Here is what real misery actually looks like in cats. Hiding far more than usual. Over-grooming until visible patches appear on their coat. Eating much less, or eating compulsively without stopping. Actively avoiding the litter box. Sitting hunched with eyes permanently half closed. None of these are personality quirks or passing moods. Every single one is a serious distress signal, and most well-meaning owners miss every one completely. The litter box rule almost no one follows correctly. You need 1 box per cat, plus always 1 extra on top. 1 cat means 2 boxes, 2 cats means 3. And placement matters enormously. Never near their food, never in a loud, busy area, never trapped in a corner with no escape. Cats always need a clear exit route available, even inside the bathroom. This single change transforms their comfort completely. Irregular feeding causes genuine daily anxiety in cats. They are creatures built around precise and consistent routine. When meals arrive at random, unpredictable times, their cortisol levels stay chronically elevated around the clock. They are not being dramatic when they wake you desperately at 5 in the morning. They are experiencing very real anticipatory stress. Feed them at exactly the same time, every single day, without any exceptions whatsoever. Never drag a cat from their hiding spot. When your cat hides away deliberately, they are actively self-regulating their emotional state, managing real overwhelm, processing accumulated stress carefully. That hiding place is their essential psychological safe room. The moment you invade that sacred space, you permanently remove the one place they felt truly safe. They never fully trust that hiding spot in quite the same way ever again. Play is absolutely not optional. It is essentially daily medical treatment. 10 to 15 minutes of real, active hunting-style play every single day measurably reduces anxiety, prevents aggression, improves sleep quality significantly. The critical word is active and engaged. A toy dangled half-heartedly for 2 minutes achieves nothing meaningful. Move it exactly like real prey moves. Let them catch it. Let them win. That moment of victory matters deeply to them. The belly trap catches almost every owner eventually. Your cat rolls over and exposes their soft belly toward you. You immediately reach for it. This is absolutely not an invitation to touch. The belly is the single most vulnerable part of their entire body. Exposing it means deep trust, never free permission to touch. Most cats warn you clearly, exactly once, then they act on that warning. And somehow, you end up blaming the cat completely. Holding too tight shuts down the nervous system completely. When a cat realizes they cannot escape your hold, they freeze utterly still. This looks exactly like they have calmed down and accepted it peacefully. They have not calmed at all. They are experiencing tonic immobility, a pure, ancient fear response. The second you finally release them, watch how fast they run from you. That speed tells you absolutely everything you need to know. Leaving them alone too long causes real, measurable suffering. Cats are called independent creatures so often, but independence is simply not the same as not needing genuine connection. A cat left alone for 10, 12 hours every single day gradually develops attachment anxiety, destructive behaviors, or the saddest version of all, learned helplessness. They slowly and heartbreakingly stop asking for what they truly and deeply need from you. The good news is, cats forgive faster than most people ever realize. Not because they simply forget what happened, but because they are deeply wired to keep trying again. Every slow blink you offer sincerely, every boundary you finally respect, every meal arriving reliably on time slowly rebuilds the trust between you. They are not waiting to punish you for past mistakes. They are patiently waiting for a real reason to trust you again. Start right now with the slow blink.
If your cat is in the room with you right now, look at them very softly and blink slowly with clear intention. Then quietly look away. You are asking for absolutely nothing in return. You are simply saying, "You are completely safe with me, always." Most cats will slowly return that blink. Some will move closer toward you. That quiet, simple moment means absolutely everything to your bond.
Respect their choices every time, and they will always choose you freely. Every time you allow your cat to walk away without following, you give them something genuinely priceless, real control over their own life. A cat who truly feels that control always comes back voluntarily and curls up warm right beside you without being asked, not because they have to be there, but purely and simply because they want to be. Your cat is not asking for very much at all. Consistency in their daily routine, a calm and peaceful home, clean, comfortable space, real respect for their boundaries, active play every single day, and the sincere understanding that love, offered on their own terms, is still completely real love. Make just 2 or 3 of these changes today and watch your cat transform. If this helped you, subscribe to VelvetPawTV. New cat behavior videos every single day.